Yo, people, what go on? You don't know, for you see face, you know what I say, a boiled dumpling, boilers. I see right now me come put Pretty Dan in place, cause for what they Pretty Dan pass in place with the people them. Dirty nasty Pretty Dan, ranking Pretty Dan. You see me like ram goat. Nasty Pretty Dan. You don't know if you're a man or a woman. What make me come out of people blood clot business Pretty Dan? Nasty Pretty Dan when I'm beard. You have green like a blood clot lime. Ranking blood clot man girl. He, she, how of blood clot you want name. Nastiness. Mash mouth blood clot. You mouth run water like a blood clot down down river. Nasty girl. Nasty Pretty Dan. What make you allow people to have blood clot loan? For what them say text it for the people them. Pretty Dan. You fuck run bully beef. You this up a girl more sweet. Now you talk about pink wall and dancehall IG. You this up everybody. Nasty Pretty Dan. You see me like ram goat dirty bitch. Hey girl. Come out up. Me I say girl. Me don't know who your blood clot be if you're male or female. Yeah, how Pretty Dan? Male or female Pretty Dan? Nasty shit. Low people alone, man. Come out. We tired of you now, Pretty Dan, man. We tired. We tired of your backside now, man. You fuck around people too much. Piece of nastiness a be. Nobody know if you're a man or a woman. Come on. Nobody don't know. You come past me there, boy, you're a ball. But you don't know if you're a man or a woman or something there. Your mother should have killed you when you just born. Your mother should have killed you, man. Cause you is not a human. You come from space. What kind of creature you be? What you be now, girl? Or man? Female or email? What you want name? Dirty Pretty Dan. Nasty Pretty Dan. Low people alone, man. We tired of you now, man.